Hey YouTube, welcome back. So today I'm going to unbox this. This one's the new and latest collaboration with Tongate. It's a Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra case with the sliding camera cover. This is a dual layer military gray protection, belt clip, and a kickstand phone case. So they have a black color, green color, purple color, and then a rose red. So be sure to check out the link that's going to show in the description so you could check them out. And when you check out, make sure you click on the coupon box code so you get a special deal with it. By the way, I'd like to give a shout out to AD from their marketing team for sending me this. So yeah, let's go ahead and open this up. I got this S23 Ultra dummy phone. Get ready to try it on. And right here is the product description. Art of Protection, Tongate. So this one is the black color, and it is made in China. And here's a thank you card. An installation manual with no screen protector front cover. Wow, nice. You got the carbon fiber looks design around the belt clip, and this will allow you to rotate 360 degrees. So right here's the rear camera that you can slide open and close to protect from getting scratched. And right here's a bifold kickstand. Let's go ahead and try it on. And you want to go ahead and try it on with the mouse button on this side. Then just push in. So you need to tilt the top in an angle position Make sure the lip catches the front cover. Okay. And when you slide this open, nothing will obstruct your camera. Got all your cutout for your charging, your microphone, your speaker, and then your stylus. There's a microphone hole right there. Up and down, your power. Anyway, hopefully you guys give it a thumbs up and then like the video. Please be sure to hit the subscribe button, turn on that bell for notification, or drop any other comments on below. And thank you for watching. See you guys on the next one. Like always, peace.